Mums are not just the basic orange and yellow flowers sitting outside grocery stores every fall. Because once you see how many colors and shapes mums actually come in, you may never look at them the same way again. Mums can be dark and moody, soft and vintage, bright and cheerful, or completely unexpected. Some look almost black. Some look like fireworks. Some look like perfect little cushions. And some have colors that move from mocha to red to coral to lavender to cream to green. So today we are showcasing 25 stunning mum varieties with a beautiful color flow: black, mocha, dark purple, red, orange, coral, pink, lavender, yellow, cream, white, and green. For each one, we are keeping it simple and easy to follow, giving you the name, origin, grow zone, color varieties, growth dimensions, and maturity time. Now, one quick note before we go through the list. Most named mum varieties are usually grown from cuttings, divisions, plugs, or nursery plants, so they stay true to type. If you grow mums from seed, they may not look exactly like the parent plant, but in general, seed-grown mums can bloom in about 100 to 150 days if started early, and they usually become fuller, stronger plants by the second growing season. So as you watch, pay attention to the colors that stand out to you most, because at the end, I want to know which mum you would actually plant in your garden. So let's grow by zone. Most mums are a garden chrysanthemum cultivar with East Asian ancestry, especially in China, Korea, and Japan. The majority of mums grow quite well in USDA zones 5 through 9. Starting at number 20 is the White Cushion Mum, and this one is perfect if you want something clean, bright, and classic in the fall garden. The color varieties are white, ivory, cream, and soft yellow-white tones. They typically grow to about 18 to 24 inches tall and 18 to 30 inches wide. From seed, mums may bloom in about 100 to 150 days, but the fuller cushion shape usually looks better by the second season. Coming in at number 19 is Cambodian Queen, and this mum brings that soft cream and pale yellow look that gives the eye a break from all the bold fall colors. The color varieties are creamy white, pale yellow, soft ivory, and light butter tones. They typically grow at about 24 to 36 inches tall and 24 to 36 inches wide. From seed, mums may bloom in about 100 to 150 days, with stronger mature plants by year 2. At number 18, we have Yellowstone, and this one brings that bold, bright yellow color that can light up a fall garden. The color varieties are golden yellow, bright lemon yellow, and rich yellow tones. They typically grow to about 18 to 30 inches tall and 18 to 30 inches wide. From seed, mums may bloom in about 100 to 150 days if started early. Sliding into the number 17 spot is Key Lime Pie, and this one is for gardeners who want a softer green mum with a fresh, unexpected color. The color varieties are lime green, yellow green, chartreuse, and key lime tones. They typically grow to about 18 to 30 inches tall and 18 to 30 inches wide. From seed, expect about 100 to 150 days to bloom, but the exact lime green color is more reliable from nursery-grown plants. Now on to number 16. Anastasia Green may be one of the most unusual mums on the list because of that bold lime green color. The color varieties are lime green, chartreuse, and bright green tones. They typically grow to about 24 to 36 inches tall and 18 to 30 inches wide. From seed, mums may bloom in about 120 to 150 days, but florist-style varieties are usually best grown from cuttings. Coming in at number 15 is Emperor of China, and this mum has that soft, antique look that feels elegant, vintage, and very different from a basic fall mum. The color varieties are soft silvery blush, muted pink, antique lavender pink, and warm pastel tones. They typically grow to about 24 to 36 inches tall and 24 to 36 inches wide. From seed, expect about 100 to 150 days to bloom, but this type is best grown from divisions or nursery plants to preserve the look. At number 14, Clara Curtis gives us that classic daisy-style mum look with soft pink petals and cheerful yellow centers. They typically grow to about 18 to 30 inches tall and 24 to 36 inches wide. From seed, mums may bloom in about 100 to 150 days, but they usually look fuller and stronger in the second year. Making the number 13 spot is Mary Stoker, and this one has a softer vintage look with warm color that feels gentle, charming, and cottage garden friendly. The color varieties are apricot yellow, pale bronze, soft peach, and warm cream tones. They typically grow to about 24 to 36 inches tall and 24 to 36 inches wide. From seed, mums may bloom in about 100 to 150 days, but heirloom-style varieties are best grown from divisions or nursery plants. At number 12, we have Apricot Alexis, and this mum has a soft, glowing color that feels warm, elegant, and perfect for fall gardens that need a softer touch. The color varieties are apricot, peach, soft orange, warm blush, and pale coral tones. They typically grow to about 18 to 30 inches tall and 18 to 30 inches wide. From seed, mums may bloom in about 100 to 150 days, but named colors are more dependable from cuttings. Coming in at number 11 is Jacqueline Peach Fusion, and this one is beautiful because the colors look blended, almost like peach, coral, and orange melted together. The color varieties are peach, coral, apricot, orange, and warm fusion tones. They typically grow to about 18 to 24 inches tall and 18 to 30 inches wide. From seed, expect about 100 to 150 days to bloom, with fuller growth by the second season. Breaking into the top 10 is Coral Charm, and this mum is perfect if you want color that feels bright and warm without going too orange. The color varieties are coral, salmon, peach, warm orange pink, and soft coral red. They typically grow to about 18 to 30 inches tall and 18 to 30 inches wide. From seed, expect about 100 to 150 days to bloom if started early. At number 9, Spiced Orange brings that warm burnt orange color that feels like fall without being too bright or basic. The color varieties are burnt orange, rust, copper orange, and warm pumpkin tones. They typically grow to about 18 to 30 inches tall and 18 to 30 inches wide. From seed, expect about 100 to 150 days to bloom, depending on your climate and planting time. Coming in at number 8 is Spider Bronze, and this is one of the most unique mums on the list because the petals are long, thin, and dramatic, almost like a little firework in the garden. The color varieties are bronze, orange bronze, copper gold, and rust tones. They typically grow to about 24 to 36 inches tall and 18 to 30 inches wide. From seed, mums may bloom in about 120 to 150 days, but spider forms are much more reliable from cuttings or nursery plants. At number 7, Autumn Red gives you that classic deep fall red that works beautifully on porches, in containers, and in front garden beds. The color varieties are deep red, fall red, burgundy red, and red-orange tones. They typically grow to about 18 to 30 inches tall and 18 to 30 inches wide. From seed, mums may bloom in about 100 to 150 days if started early enough. Coming in at number 6 is Ruby Mound, and this one gives you that rounded, full, colorful mound that looks beautiful in borders and containers. The color varieties are ruby red, deep red, burgundy, and dark rose red tones. They typically grow to about 18 to 24 inches tall and 24 to 36 inches wide. From seed, expect about 100 to 150 days to bloom with a stronger mound by year 2. Making the top 5 is Seaton's Ruby, and this mum has deep, saturated color that gives the garden a rich jewel tone look. The color varieties are ruby red, burgundy red, wine red, and deep crimson tones. They typically grow to about 18 to 30 inches tall and 18 to 30 inches wide. From seed, mums may bloom in about 100 to 150 days and usually become fuller the following year. At number 4, the Dark Knight brings deep purple drama, and it is perfect if you want something darker than red but not quite black. The color varieties are dark purple, plum, violet, and deep burgundy purple tones. They typically grow to about 18 to 30 inches tall and 18 to 30 inches wide. From seed, expect about 100 to 150 days to bloom, but the exact dark color is more reliable from cuttings or nursery plants. Coming in at number 3 is Mocha, and this one brings in those soft coffee, bronze, caramel, and warm brown tones that make a fall garden feel cozy and expensive. The color varieties are mocha, bronze, caramel, copper, peach brown, and soft tan tones. They typically grow to about 18 to 30 inches tall and 18 to 30 inches wide. From seed, mums may bloom in about 100 to 150 days if started early indoors. Now to number 2, Pot Black is for gardeners who want that rich, dark, almost black fall color without using the same basic shades everyone else has. The color varieties are near black burgundy, deep plum, dark purple red, and wine tones. They typically grow to about 18 to 30 inches tall and 18 to 30 inches wide. From seed, expect about 100 to 150 days to bloom, but fuller plants usually develop by the second growing season. And making the cut for the number 1 spot is Black Magic. Black Magic is one of the most dramatic mums because it gives you that deep, moody, almost black look that instantly makes the fall garden feel more elegant. The color varieties are deep burgundy, dark wine red, and near black red. They typically grow to about 18 to 30 inches tall and 18 to 30 inches wide. From seed, mums may bloom in about 100 to 150 days, but name varieties are best grown from cuttings or nursery plants to keep the true color and form. So that is our countdown of 20 stunning mum varieties for a spectacular fall garden. We started with creamy whites, yellows, greens, soft pinks, corals, oranges, reds, mocha tones, dark purples, and ended with those dramatic near black mums. Now I want to know which ones are your favorites, and if you want more plant guides by zone, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, because here on Grow by Zone, we are growing plant by plant, zone by zone,